In this video, we'll learn how to unpack and start up the printer for the first time and install a wired network. First, open the box. Remove the CD and support documents from the box. Remove the machine from the box and place it on a flat surface. Remove all packing tape. Press this button to open the front cover. Pull this piece of tape in order to remove the yellow instruction sheet. Unlock the container by pushing this blue button. Remove the toner container from the printer. Shake the toner back and forth 5 or 6 times. Return the container to the machine and rotate it up until these 2 arrows are facing each other. You will hear an audible click when the cartridge is secure. Close the front cover. Plug the power cord into the back of the printer. Locate and remove the white stopper from the rear of the machine in order to connect the network cable. Install the network cable into the rear of the machine. Insert the other end of the network cable into the port on the switch or router. Power on the printer by pressing the power on button located on the lower right front of the machine. Please be patient, as it can take up to 10 minutes for the printer to warm up. When the machine comes to ready for the first time, a short configuration wizard will appear. The first question is the language the machine will be set up to use. In our example, English. Press the OK button. The next screen will state, Managed by Admin, with the choices Yes, Office, or No, Home. Answering this question, Yes, Office, means that you must enter an ID and password when setting certain printer functions. Selecting No, Home does not require an ID and password function. If you're in a home office or the only user of this printer, it's recommended to use the Home option. In this example, we will push the down arrow and select No, Home. Then press the OK button to activate the Home function. The screen will now read, Welcome. Set up your machine now. Are you sure? Select the button under Yes. The screen will now read, Setup 1/2. Set the time zone, date, and time. The printer should have the correct time, but it can be changed. In our example, we will keep the time and press the OK button. This will take us to time zone. Use the up-down arrows to find your time zone. In our example, we're using Central Time Zone. Once you find your time zone, press the OK button. The next screen will appear for you to set the current time. You can change the date if needed by using the arrows. Once the date is correct, press the OK button. The screen will now be at time for hours, minutes, and seconds. You can change the setting if needed. Press the OK button. The screen will now read Setup 2/2. Set the IP address to enable the machine to run on your network. Press the OK button. The next screen is for setting up your network. In this example, we'll be selecting the wired network. Confirm the wired network is highlighted and press the OK button. Select Auto DHCP and press the OK button. The screen will now read Completing Setup. Please read the README to make more detailed settings. In our example, we'll be pressing the button under Finish to complete the original setup. The printer may still be adding toner when it completes this process. For now, just add letter paper to the cassette so you can continue the machine setup. To learn how to add paper to the cassette, be sure to watch the Adding Paper video. In addition, you'll need to install drivers for your computer. To learn how to install drivers, watch the KX driver video for Windows or the Mac driver video for Apple computers.